The Delta variant of coronavirus was first discovered in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra and has now spread to more than 100 countries and is on its way to becoming the most widely prevalent variant of coronavirus in the world. In the last few weeks, it is also believed to be powering the rapid rise of infections in several countries across the world that has led to a fresh resurgence of the epidemic at the very global level. According to WHO, the Delta variant has now been found in at least 111 countries. The Alpha variant has so far been reported from 178 countries and it still has the largest footprint. The Beta variant has a presence in 123 countries now. But going by the speed with which the Delta variant is currently spreading, this could change soon. Out of the 4 variants of concern, the Delta variant is the most transmissible one. Studies have suggested that the Delta variant was about 50% more transmissible than the Alpha variant of coronavirus. Just in the second week of July, the Delta variant was found in at least 15 new countries. India has seen its daily count of cases stabilize at around 30,000 to 40,000 for about the last 2 weeks. However, during this time, new cases have already begun to rise in several other countries of the world like Brazil, United Kingdom and Italy. All of them have been reporting more cases than India on several days. The resurgence in cases in most places is being fueled by the Delta variant of coronavirus. The daily count of cases at the very global level had come down to about 3 lakh in the last week of June. But in the last 2 weeks now, over 5 lakh new infections are getting detected every day. The rise is being powered not just by any one country. Several countries have seen a rise in the cases in the month of July. The daily count in United Kingdom has crossed 50,000 in the last few days. Even Bangladesh and Thailand have been reporting more than 10,000 cases per day for now. Some countries such as Brazil, Argentina and Colombia seem to have moved past their peaks observed in the last month, but still are contributing large number of cases of the virus. The biggest surge in the Southeast Asian region happened in Indonesia at over 30,000 cases every day. Here, the Delta variant of coronavirus is known to be one of the dominating variants. There has been a steep rise in the detection of the Delta variant of the virus in Indonesia since the start of June. Over 90% of the virus samples from Indonesia that were sent for genome sequencing after mid-June have turned out to be of the Delta variant of coronavirus. The Delta variant is fast spreading in all other regions of the world, replacing the previously prevalent variants of coronavirus to become the most dominant one. In United Kingdom, barely 2% of the genome sequences until April had found out the Delta variant. In July, however, 90% or over 90% of genome sequences have detected this particular variant. In United States, this number is over 70%, but there too it is showing an increasing trend. Globally, only 9% of all the genome sequences since the start of the pandemic had found out the Delta variant. In July, this is over 90%. In India, the Delta variant had been detected in 40% of the genome sequences since the start of the pandemic, but over 95% in sequences in the month of July. WHO has warned that the rapid spread of the Delta variant, combined with the fact that the countries were now opening up and allowing travel and other economic activities to resume, could lead to big surges in incidents, hospitalizations and deaths in many countries across the world. However, the Delta variant is not an escape mutant. So far, there is no evidence to suggest that this variant, the Delta variant, escapes the immunity developed by people who've either been infected naturally or by vaccinations. Also, several studies have suggested that the current vaccines are all effective against the Delta variant of coronavirus as well, at least in suppressing the severity of the disease once the infection has happened.